Happy New Week, everyone. It's a new Monday of a new week, and we've been training today, of course. I'm gonna go through the trades I took today, and one of them was actually the longest trade that I've ever been in. I think it went on for pretty much like 30 minutes, honestly. I've been in the trade for 30 minutes. Small loss today. Could pretty much call it break even at this point, but a bit of a loss. And with that, let me take you to the charts. So this is the charts today. We got a pretty nice rejection or reaction off of this high over here a couple of days ago. We never really came back to it. So I was bearish for the day. I was looking for a short. Since we never really got over this high here, if we look at the daily here, we can see that once we took this, we had a really strong rejection to the downside here. And on the next day, it looks like we never really came above it. So I came to the day with a bearish bias and was looking for a short, obviously, right? Now, I'm not sure if you guys knew, but yesterday they actually changed the time to winter time, and I was a bit confused because I was looking to go to the charts at 15:30 my time, but instead market open was at 2 p.m. and 30 minutes for me. So I kind of missed the first hour of trading, but it looks like I didn't really miss much because it was just kind of one fall into nothingness, really, and then we just kind of hung around there until we then decided to fall again. This is around where I joined. I entered pretty quickly here, maybe a bit too quickly, and that's why I also took my first loss. Like I said, I had a bearish bias. I was looking for this gap to be filled. Maybe a bit too ambitious, but that was my draw at least. And my goal for, well, maybe this week, the next few days, let's see how strong market moves. But I was definitely bearish here. And so I was looking to go into some bearish moves, right? Once we tap back into this 930 opening fair value gap and took this short-term high here and inverted this fair value gap here, I was looking to enter, and yeah, I got stopped pretty quickly, sadly, for about $200, and I was pretty sure that my bias was right. I was still bearish here. I could not see price moving higher from this point, and it does seem like I was right. It's a bit unfortunate that I got stopped first and then price moved down, because it would have hit my TP at some point, but well, what can you do? I guess I should have waited until it cleared out this equal highs here, but this is all hindsight, right? So I can't really speak about it now. I'll just have to be more careful next time, I guess. But as I said, I was really determined that price is going to go lower. So once it showed some initial signs of volume, I entered again. I wanted to enter off of this fair value gap, but then I got filled a little bit lower down here. And well, price really just hung around here, and this was pretty painful. I just started watching YouTube at some point, honestly, because it was just not moving anywhere. And yeah, this is probably the longest trade that I've ever been in so far. Took exactly 43 minutes for me to get stopped. I took a partial here. This time I managed to take a partial, thankfully, before it stopped me, which got me to about break even, $66 in the minus, as you can see. But it looks like once I got stopped here, I have my stop loss here. Once I got stopped, it looks like price is going lower now. And this is the middle point of that gap that I was talking about. that was my target for this trade, and it looks like price is moving towards that right now. So I might have been a little bit too aggressive on my stop loss, which is also another takeaway for this trade here. But yeah, this is the Monday for me. Unfortunate, we managed to put more negative onto our total, but well, what can you do? I mean, I guess I can be happy with the fact that I managed to determine the correct bias in this time, but I guess I need to be more careful with how I place my order and how I manage my stop loss. But yeah, that will all be things that I'll learn in the future, I guess. But yeah, let me know how your guys' Monday went, if you traded at all. If there was anything that you guys learned or experienced. This is basically the whole point of this channel, is, you know, to learn from each other, because I'm definitely not a professional. I'm just trying to make some money off of this as well, and maybe become a professional in the future. But the main point is that we all can learn from this. You know, I learn from you, maybe I learn from my mistakes, and you guys maybe also learn a little bit from me, who knows. But yeah, that's the whole point of this channel. And so let me know what you guys thought of today. But yeah, I hope to speak to you guys tomorrow. We got some news tomorrow, I believe, even high impact. So that will be interesting to see. But yeah, thanks again for sticking around. I appreciate the attention you guys been giving me to my channel recently. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.